Welcome to my MANIK'S tutorial. Today I am teaching phonics song. So let's get started. A sounds like A, B sounds like Pa, C sounds like Kha, D sounds like Da, E sounds like A, F sounds like Pa, G sounds like Ga, H sounds like Ha, I sounds like E, J sounds like Ja, K sounds like Kha, L sounds like La, M sounds like Ma, N sounds like No, O sounds like O, P sounds like Po, Q sounds like Kha, R sounds like Ra, S sounds like Sa, T sounds like Ta, U sounds like A, V sounds like Pa, W sounds like O, X sounds like X, Y sounds like Yo, Z sounds like Jo. Thank you for learning with me.